They say language is a crucial part of identity, and that couldn't be more true for these Indigenous Australian students.
And what does it mean? Now up here by a forest.
So it's really important to get that connection and to learn all this stuff because, you don't have any cultural identity if you don't.
Red Room Poetry is hosting poetry workshops for Aboriginal students, teaching them how to express their thoughts in Dharawal language.
And I think when we're speaking language, when we're learning language, we're finding new ways to describe ourselves and to talk about our own identity. And there's a lot of hope coming in that.
But elders hosting the workshop say Indigenous languages should be taught in all public schools.
Doesn't matter what country you're actually on in that area, there should be someone actually going into all of those schools and teaching our language from that area.
It's our First Nation and it should be taught as a compulsory subject.
Department of Education Secretary Mark Scott says the state government is working hard to improve access to Indigenous languages.
We face a few challenges. One is we don't have all the teachers that we would need. The schools where this has worked best, we've worked closely with local elders, and so we're encouraging the spread of Aboriginal languages. We have some case studies where it's worked very well.
The department is developing a reconciliation action plan to help expand Indigenous languages in schools. Katie Gallagher, WIN News.